Too crowded and we had to leave. Welcome to the nightlife out here. I know, it's crazy. We're trying to find a place to sit, man. It's crazy out here. What's the name of the neighborhood?
The Overmello. The Overmello.
Yeah, that's the name of the neighborhood. Oh, that scared me for a second. They was like blop, blop, blop. Man, New Jersey Nomad's trying to get some seats, but it's crazy packed out here. Got any ideas where to go? Got any ideas where to go there?
You might have to hit Pellerino, I think.
Okay.
But it's packed out here right now, man.
We're gonna walk down that way more. I mean, I know. Nightlife. I know. Maybe we came out like a little late. I don't know.
I'm gonna pull over the color.
Okay. So now we're going to this other neighborhood. Because he said it's not we could do it. Everything is packed. We tried to go to a hookah bar, that was packed.
It's sold up over there.
Yeah, we tried to go right there. What is that? This is called Red River. This little, what is that? The bar is called? Yeah. So now we're going to this other little nice spot neighborhood. And we're going to see what they have to offer. Yeah, I'm going to rock the gold beard just a little bit longer. I'm seeing all the comments. I'll see what y'all saying about it. Eventually, I'm going to change it, but, you know, I was just trying something different. I like it. I know some people think it's crazy. They said it made me look a lot older and stuff like that, but I'm going to change it back eventually. But I'm just trying different things, you know. I'm still finding myself. Oh, man, are you kidding me? Now it's raining. Oh, man. Raining out here, so the rain is messing up everything, but we still gonna hang out. We gonna still do what we gotta do.
How old is this girl?
Huh? We're gonna go to another neighborhood and see if we can. Patuba is another neighborhood we're gonna go to. But it's super packed out here and the rain situation. So this is Patuba. Yeah, we couldn't stay over there. The rain slowed down, so we over in this other area. We're gonna meet some friends over here. Real nice. I don't know where you at. What's the name of this? All right. So we're making a decision to go somewhere else, Because our friend is here, but he's with a lady friend. So we gonna make a decision to go to another neighborhood. We trying to get an Uber. So we moving around a lot tonight. Little samba spot we at right now. We waiting. We ordered some drinks and stuff. We waiting for them to give it to us. This is the spot where we at. Yeah, he said it. Yeah, he said it was popping off. He did say that yesterday. So we making our way to this hookah bar. We tried to go earlier, but it was crowded. So we figured a couple hours later, it shouldn't be a problem. Oh, this is the other little spot he took us to right here too. Wow. We had a little tour guide yesterday. It ain't crowded as it was. Yeah. Oh, okay. So we got a little ways to walk down. Another little place right there as well. It's a real cool vibe out here. There's a lot of graffiti on the walls. Got the ocean right there. So when we walk around this little corner, it'll get crowded again. There'll be more people. No bigado. No bigado. I know. Yeah, it cleared out, but it's still a little crowded.
Tá procurando, ela está cara.
It's still crowded, though. Ain't nothing changed. We might just get in there, but it's crowded. You can ask them, see what they say. Oh man, it's even more crowded. What's this? Is that another club? What? I'm confused. That's somewhere else. It's right here. Let's see. It's right here. Trying to get up in here, man. Well, the good news is we can get in there, but it's just it's crowded. What you want to do? Oh, we're in this little place we wanted to go to. Back up in here. It's gonna be packed once we get around this corner. Too crowded and then we had to leave. The scoop up. And we're gonna call it a night, man. It started raining.
Yeah, I'm looking. There's nothing here for us.
Yeah, we out of here. Yeah, it's raining. It's man. We just call it. We call it a night, but more videos coming. It keep raining, man. The rain won't stop. It rains, it stops, it rains. That's it. Please like the video. Please subscribe. Please get a video like, and more videos to come.